Hi, my name is Suju Krishnan and I am a member of the Interop Minds group. Thanks a lot for giving us an opportunity to present in the Ideathon. We are a bunch of healthcare interoperability enthusiasts who've spent a big part of our adult life in solving technology problems for healthcare. Our solution today is called as e-Swasthavritta. The term Swasthavritta is derived from the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. Within Ayurveda, there is a stream of science called as Swasthvritti, which deals with keeping the healthy strong. This is basically a movement away from sick care into well-being. Drawing inspiration from the same, our solution eSwasthavritta proposes a health index for all Indians, relying heavily on the NDHM framework and other assets which exist in the country today. We are very certain that with the success of our health index, tomorrow every Indian will ask each other, what's your score today? The objective of our idea is to create one health index for every Indian. This is both data driven and personalized. We rely heavily on analytics and the latest statistical modules from core parameters that are dear to everybody. This is going to be a continuous indicator for life and not only help the individual but also help in population care and preventive and proactive care. This will help the existing institutions to move away from sick care to wellness care. The offering is twofold. We are looking at giving a health score to each individual. At the same time, we are also looking at intervening and helping the care institutions within the country manage health better. The inspiration from moving away from sick care to help people being healthy came from the National Health Policy of 2017, where there is a big stress on promotion of good health and use of technology. Drawing a cue from that and relying on the core components on the NDHM framework, we have an analytics engine at the heart of our solution, which computes the score. We have a repository to store user information. We also are a health information user and a health information provider at the same time. We also have a mobile app which captures health data and displays the health score. Here is a visualization of the individual health score app. The first box represents the health score of the individual. In this particular case, it's 4.6. Apart from the health score, you also have the opportunity to compare your health with the peers in your affinity domain. The rest of the parameters in this chart are what we can get from other ecosystem players. To address the whole country, one has to look at the existing infrastructure setup. We have found that the PHCs are core to this. In fact, we did a visit to a nearby PHC to understand their way of working. With 72% of India population existing in the rural setup and with 32,000 PHCs in the country, our aim is to transform the PHCs into willingness centers in the time to come. We will do this by both providing digital solutions as well as by adding some more relevant health parameters to the information which is collected today. Presenting a simple illustration of how the matrix could be collected. A combination of BMI values, activity levels, food and nutrition, stress and anger management, for mental health and community service. To start off with, the data could be collected directly through sensors in the mobile devices or through manual intervention. Let's start off with the Swasthavritta app as the data source. We could identify the individual through the health ID mechanism in NDHM, then transfer the data through a data governor app to a data storage in data repository module, and the computation of the index happens in the analytics module. We have provisions to visualize the data. We are also a HIP and a HIU because we believe in partnership and ecosystem play. We also believe in getting data from multiple sources. The consent management module is the strongest part of our value proposition. We are going to balance the person's privacy needs along with the need to transfer data. User acquisition, engagement, and retention is a very important part of our strategy. We are going to draw the first set of users from the insurance, fitness, and food and drink space. We are going to roll out a very exciting reward and redemption program in order to get our first set of customers. We are going to keep them engaged through a promising user engagement and activity module. We also are very confident that our brand promise of providing a statistics-based health index is going to help their fitness and health goals in the times to come. From a business and financial perspective, we are looking at 4 streams of revenue. The primary source of revenue would be with the PHCs, Mohalla clinics, and neighborhood clinics. We are planning to charge them a small amount of money of rupees 2,500 per unit per year. We also plan to go big with the insurance companies, health savvy customers, and partners in the ecosystem. Based on our streams of revenue, we have also come up with a basic pricing package, and we are looking at 10% of our addressable market in the first year. We intend to go positive in the first year of operation. This is Team Interop Minds. Thank you very much.